Incoming storm will likely have an impact, a major one, on flights at Denver International Airport.
And many already changing their plans, but what are airlines and the airport doing to make this smoother for travelers? Fox 31's Talia Cunningham is on it, all new at 9. Talia.
Well, Erica, right now officials at DIA tell me they are closely monitoring weather conditions and looking at different models tonight, but they are prepared and have all hands ready to be what could be a significant snowfall. So the key to DIA's operations and getting planes in the air will be de-icing efficiently and quickly and clearing snow from runways. The airport tells me the average runway time for snow removal is about 12 to 15 minutes, and the airport has 197 lane miles of roadway covered for snow removal. So as we know, DIA is one of the largest airports and has heightened foot traffic this week specifically because of spring break and ski season. So if you do have a flight tomorrow night, Thursday, or even Friday, you need to check with your airline before you head to the airport and head out the door. And because there will be likely cancellations and a lot of delays, things will be busy, but I'm told the FAA makes these decisions when it comes to pilots and visibility requirements in the air. However, DIA officials say they are ready.
And then we're ready to remove snow as soon as that snow hits. Snow removal assets that we have, the equipment that we have 225 assets for snow removal.
And some airlines like United and American Airlines have already issued alerts allowing you to have a little bit of flexibility in changing your flight, canceling it altogether, or even rebooking. Now, most recommend flying out in the calm before the storm arrives. So I did reach out to major airlines at DIA tonight and heard back from these right here. That's Frontier, American, United, and Southwest. All tell me directly that they have issued travel advisories for Colorado, and that means some have waived cancellation fees while others are offering travel vouchers. So Delta did not get back to me directly, but their website does have an advisory for DIA specifically and information about rebooking. In studio, Talia Cunningham, Fox 31.
Talia, thank you.